Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a USB table lamp. So the product works as a table lamp, but does have a USB option on the bottom, if you can see right here. And then for the USB port in the bottom, it does provide you guys a 2A charging speed. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. So first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what the product looks like inside. So they do provide guys the light bulb inside, but you can definitely use your own one if you guys do have your own one. So this is the light bulb that's provided for you guys, but let's open up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the light bulb looks like. So you see this is the light bulb that they provide for you right here. So you just want to install this on if you guys want to use this one, or if you guys have your own one, you can definitely install your own one as well. And then right underneath that, they provide you guys everything else. So let's take everything out first. So right here they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use it and also how to set it up. So right here they provide you guys everything you guys need to set it up. So right here we do have the lamp shape, and right here we have the bottom of the base to actually set it up. So let's take off all the wrappers first. Alright, so once you guys take off the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. So we do have the cord right here, you just want to plug in to activate it. And then right here in the bottom we do have the 2 USB option. And then for the top part here is where you guys want to insert the light bulb. And the way how you guys activate the product once you guys plug it in is by tapping right here, which I'll show you guys in a second. But you see on the bottom right here, they do have like the non-slip material as well. So that way once you guys put it on the ground, it won't move around as easy. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually set everything up to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the fabric looks like on here. And this is what the inside looks like. So before you guys put on the cover, you guys want to take off this part right here first. Once you guys take it out, you guys want to put this on top. And you guys want to put this back on top and twist it to lock in place. So that way it prevents the product from like moving around once you guys set it up. Alright, so that should be good. Once you guys do that, you guys can put a light bulb on top. Alright, so we got the light bulb and everything all set up inside. So now we can plug it in. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, this is what the product looks like. You can see how she lights up on here. So for this product, there's 3 different light modes on here. So this is low. If you guys want to increase it, you guys want to tap right here. So that's medium. And then that's high. So see when you guys turn on high, it's definitely pretty bright on here. And if you guys want to turn it off, you guys want to tap it again. And that is how you guys turn it off. So definitely the way how to design this bar right here in terms of tapping it to turn it off and on is pretty cool. And not only can you guys tap it in the bottom right here, but you guys can tap right here to turn it off and on as well. So on the user manual, they tell you guys to tap right here. But I feel like when you guys tap right here, it's more efficient. If you see how much better it works on here compared to this part right here, it's not as sensitive. But now let's test out the USB option right here first. So I do have my USB cable right here. So let's plug it in. So we got that part plugged in. If we plug it onto my phone, you can see it definitely does work. And when you guys unplug it and test out the other one, that works as well. So definitely have the option to use both of them at the same time, or you guys can definitely use one at a time as well. So that is everything that's on the bar right here in terms of how to use it. If you can see, it definitely works pretty well and it actually looks pretty cool. So if you guys have like a table right next to your bed and you guys want to set this up right there, you can definitely do that on here. Or if you guys want to put this onto like a dining table, you can definitely do that on here as well. As long as wherever you guys set this up, the cable is long enough for you guys to plug it in, then you guys should be fine. Alright, so here is another point of view of what the product looks like if you guys put it onto like a table or something in a corner. So if you guys turn it on, this is what it looks like on the low light setting. If you guys tap it again, this is what it looks like on medium. If you guys press it one more time, this is what it looks like on high. So you see when you guys turn on the product and use it, it definitely works pretty well. It actually looks pretty cool. And obviously once you guys are done using it, you guys can press it again. And that turns it off. So that is everything that's on the bar here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for the bar here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality table lamp that has a charging option as well. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.